Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are putting two productivity powerhouses head to head. Whether you're managing tasks, organizing projects, or building a collaborative workflow, these platforms have a lot to offer. But the question is, which one is the right for you? Is it gonna be Airtable or Trello? We will compare features, ease of use, pricing, and more to help you decide. So let's get started. Let's begin with Airtable. Basically, it's a cloud-based collaboration and productivity tools that combines features of a spreadsheet and a database. Basically, in the past, we have covered Airtable here in our GPLAFs YouTube channel that you might want to check out. All right. Now, essentially, it is designed to help individuals and teams organize, track, and manage information in a highly flexible and visually appealing way. Airtable is widely used for project management and content planning, inventory tracking, and more. Now, for you to be able to create an account here, just click this small button right here. Now, here you can start using your Google account, or if you want to use with your Apple ID, or if you want to use your personal or business email, it's okay. And then just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account in Airtable, you will receive a welcome email such as this one, and all you have to do is log into your account. Now, here inside the Airtable, you see these are going to be your working dashboard. You can go to the marketplace, templates, and apps. If you wanted to create something from scratch, just click this button. What will happen is you would be forwarded to a simple base. For example, you have created this. You can start with a grid, calendar, gallery, Kanban, Talman, and Gantt. For example, we're going to use the Kanban for now. Click on it, and you have an option who can edit with this one. You have the collaborative, wherein all collaborators can edit the configuration, the personal, wherein you can limit the people can work with it. But of course, it creates you are required to upgrade to the new pro plan. And from here you can put in the assignee status and create a new user field if you wanted. You can choose this. You can also choose a different color that best represents the logo and brand that you are using. And from here you can choose assignee status, create a single field, and a lot more. All right, so there's a lot of option here. You can typing in, add a note, add a new field to this, leave a comment if you want. So basically this is highly useful, all right, because you can manage complex data relationships with easily without needing technical database knowledge. All right, it's very easy in terms of the collaboration because again you can sign in roles to team members like editor, commenter, or viewer. You can use comments and tagging for real-time communication in this platform. You also have an option for the integration. You can use the add-on import, CSV file, Google Calendar, Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Salesforce, and if you click on this button right here, you have all these options for you. Jira, GitHub, Microsoft Access, Trello, Snowflake. We will be covering Trello in a short while. Zendesk, XML, and a lot more. Now, if you're interested in knowing all of these, we have so many topics again in our GPLAFs YouTube channel because we have already covered Airtable in the past. So we have a lot of topics that you might want to choose from. You see this, all right? And again, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications in our latest content. Now, going back to the Airtable, in this section right here, you can easily switch between grid, Kanban, calendar, gallery, and Gantt views to organize data in the most useful format for best data visualization, which is focused for group views or personal workflows. All right, so that's that for Airtable. Now we're switching to Trello. Trello, similarly to Airtable, is a web-based project management tool that helps individuals and teams organize tasks, projects, and workflows in a visually intuitive way using boards, lists, and cards. Now, in terms of the pricing, if you click on this one right here, obviously you have the free trial, which costs nothing. All right, it's free up to 10 collaborators per workspace. This is best for individuals or teams looking to organize any project, and if you're just testing waters to see if this is going to be the project management tool for you. But if you want to scale up, you might want to choose the standard, which is $5 per month, and the premium is 10, and the enterprise is $17 per month. But I highly suggest you contact sales before doing a big commitment. But of course, you're welcome to click the get started button to start free. And from here, all you have to do is you can continue signing up with your Google account, Microsoft, Apple, and even Slack. We have a separate video on how to use Slack that you might want to check in our channel. After doing so, you should receive a welcome email from Trello, all right, once you have successfully created an account here. Now, Trello is commonly used for task tracking, team collaboration, and project planning. You see, here, one of the key features of Trello are boards. If you click on the boards right here, you can choose from any of the given template, all right? Projects are organized into boards, which represents individuals, projects, or workflows. Each board can contain multiple lists that organize tasks or steps in a project. For example, you wanted to use any of the project here that you wanted to use for the template, all right? For example, we're going to use the simple project board. Click on it and you will be forwarded here. All right, you can choose from any of the following board that you can choose. Brainstorm, to do, doing, and done. Maybe we're going to use the brainstorm right here. And from there, you can create your own lists, which can be used within the boards to organize stages, categories such as to do, right here, or in progress, and are completed. You can create custom lists to match your specific project workflow right here. And the cards right here, as you can see, there's going to be an option that says create board from template. Right, so I'm going to rename this as, and click on create. You would be forwarded now to the main dashboard, wherein it's going to be a lot easier to collaborate to your team members, and they can comment, add attachments, or change the status of tasks. Now, this is going to be the cards right here. Okay. You also have an option for the power-ups, where it will give you all the features to your boards. You can integrate apps like Google Drive, Slack, and more. If you click that, these are going to be some of the options for you to integrate seamlessly to other apps. You see, there's a lot, basically. We already covered this in the past that you might want to check in our channel. Basically, that's one of the best key things here in Trello. You can simply add a card right here. Cards are individual tasks or items within a list. Each card can contain detailed information such as descriptions, attachments, checklists, due dates, and label. All right, and of course you can drag this anywhere from the main dashboard. Cards can be moved between lists as the status of tasks change. Now, the idea is that Trello really is advisable if you prefer a simple, intuitive Kanban or Gantt style kind of task manager right here. Projects are straightforward or personal. And if you're a beginner or want to keep things simple, you might want to opt for the Trello. Now, if you wanted a data-driven and require custom workflows, I believe that Airtable is going to be best for you, especially if you need advanced features like Gantt charts, multiple views, and automations. Or especially if you're managing larger, more complex teams or projects, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.